friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today we'll be making a pop-up flower heart card. So when you first open it up, it looks like a rainbow slinky. When you open it up all the way, it looks like a flower, and it also has several pages where you can write your messages on. So it's gonna make like a perfect birthday gift or Valentine's Day gift or Mother's Day gift, you know, any type of situation, holiday gift thing. Can't even talk right now. But anyway, if you are new to my channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button. I post new crafty fun videos all year round and wouldn't want you to miss it. And without further ado, let's jump right in. So here are all the supplies that you'll need to make the pop-up heart flower card. You'll need some cardstock, so I'm using 3 sheets of green, 3 sheets of pink, and then also 2 purples and 2 pattern ones. You're also going to need a heart template, a bone folder if you want to make better, folds, or if your cardstock is really thick and you want to make a nice clean fold, I recommend using a bone folder. And if you don't have one, I'll leave a link in the video description in case you want to go and purchase one. You'll also need a pair of scissors, a ribbon or a string, or whatever you want to tie your card together, and also some type of adhesive. So I'll be using a glue dispenser, but you can use a glue stick or Elmer's glue or any type of glue that you want. So we're going to make the first heart with the green cardstock. The first thing is to fold the sheet of paper in half, and if it's really thick, you can use a bone folder to really crease that in. Unfold, and then fold it in half in the opposite direction. Unfold, and then fold it in half diagonally. Unfold, and then fold it in half diagonally in the other direction. After that, you just want to unfold everything, fold it back in half horizontally, and then in half again to form a square. Lay your heart template right on top of the green cardstock against the corner. Trace it around with a pen or pencil. And then use your scissors and cut around the outline. Once you've done that, you're going to have a beautiful green heart. Now what you want to do is to unfold everything and then push in on the right and left side so that everything collapses. And if you follow the pre-existing creases, you'll see that it all falls into place. Now let's go ahead and create 2 more of these green hearts, and then also move on to the pink paper and create 3 of those. So here are the 6 hearts all laid out. I made 3 pink ones and 3 green ones, and the reason why I chose these colors in particular was because they're nice and bright. Let's brush those hearts aside and focus on our next piece, which is going to be the front cover and the back cover of the book. Here I'm just laying the pink template on top of the pattern paper, and I'm not even going to bother to use my pen to trace over it. I'm just going to take my pair of scissors and go at it and cut around the heart. Next, take the pattern heart and place it on top of a solid color. I'm using light purple. Then take your pair of scissors and go around the outline of the heart, leaving a little bit of space between the pattern paper and the purple paper. And now you have a beautiful pattern heart with a purple outline. Now this part is really fun, or at least I think it's fun. So you're going to slap some adhesive on top of the green heart. Then take the pink heart and place it on top of the green heart. Then take the green heart and place it on top of the pink heart, and keep alternating the colors until you reach the very end and you have all 6 hearts glued together. And once you open it up, it's going to look like a little rainbow slinky. Now it's time to put on the ribbon, so I'm just laying a strip of glue right down the center of the heart. Now I'm running the blue ribbon from the bottom of the heart to the very top, and I am cutting it to make it shorter. Next, put adhesive on top of the ribbon and also the green heart, and put your cover page on. Now turn the entire thing around and do the exact same thing for the back cover. Once you have the back cover on, tie a bow at the very top, and your pop-up heart flower card is complete. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed that, and thank you for sticking around until the very end of the video as well. If you are new to my channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell right next to the subscribe button. I post new crafty fun videos all year round. Would love for you to join me. Leave your comments below letting me know who you would make this card for, and I will see you next time. Bye!